marvelous evening to Sean Paul, uh, uh, that's Mr. President, and members and guests.
I don't know where you got that.
Tonight, my evaluation for Nilovi is going to be on a pattern, and my pattern is going to be, well. So first thing, the W, it stands for the words. And the main objective, Nilovi, about Project 4 is how to say it. It's all about using the correct wording and the sentence structure. And I think you gave more than what was expected of you. You gave so many descriptions, and you picked the perfect speech topic for it. You talked about, the speech title was Best Relationship of My Life. And you talked about your relationship with your dog. And you used so many descriptive words to give that image. And everybody in the audience could relate to that. You said some references like, he is like the king of my heart. You said that he has chocolate brown eyes, the thick hair, and cute face. And also you mentioned so many things there that I'm getting lost in my evaluation itself. And how many of you feel welcomed to the new day with your best friend licking your face? And you also used many descriptive words. You said, you also gave many short and simple sentences. Oh my God, I'm getting so confused right now. It is so organized. And you also used some rhetorical devices, like in the simile, where you said that my dog, sir, is like the king of my heart. And you also used the triad, where you said, I don't know if his new family does treat him well, mistreat him, or hit him. So it was a power of 3. So you used 3 different situations. That's pretty good. Now the E stands for emotion. Now of course this is a speech that you could relate to very clearly, and this is something that you spoke from your heart. And it was very evident from your body language that you had a lot of emotion, and like everyone could tell from your facial expressions and your body language, you were so firm, and you were just moving like this, and like it displays that you really enjoyed it. L, the first L stands for lack of. So there are a few things which I could recommend to you where you can go and improve your speech. First, I would like you to practice your slides beforehand. Maybe check the device and like see if the device is working properly. There was a slight technical issue, and the speech was already in such a good flow, and then this technical issue happens. So maybe you just practice beforehand, and then it won't be so much of a problem. And I would recommend you directly to begin with your speech content. Like, you've already been here for a long time, you've already wished everyone. And like, it just, like, when you directly go into your speech, you ask the question and everything, it automatically gets everyone in there. You remember like in your classes when like a teacher used to come and be like, good morning, and like so boring, like, you know, you just directly get into the speech. And lastly, I want to say that your speech was really organized. Your body language was very reflective of the content of your speech. You used your pauses extremely well, and you engaged the audience by asking questions. All in all, a fantastic speech. I would love to see more of your speeches in the future. Thank you.